Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today, no rain in sight. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide all the technical and tactical analysis, is Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It is Manchester City up against Arsenal.
The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
And the referee gets this game going. Every reason to believe this should be a cracker. Trossard, Saka, and Arsenal now find themselves in potentially a dangerous position, but they took care of the situation defensively. Well, the defenders know they need to get tighter. Can't really allow runs like that. Victor Gyökeres. Martin Ødegaard. Gyökeres. Now in possession, Trossard. In with a chance. Well, it's ended up being, quite frankly, easy for the keeper.
Well, he should be hitting the back of the net. That's a poor effort.
A change in the offing for City. And it's opening up. Oh, not cleared away. Well, threat over for now. Saka. Victor Gyökeres. Well, they stopped them in their tracks. Haaland. Omar Marmoush. City moving the ball forwards. What can they do from here? Martin Ødegaard. Saka. And he's through here. Is it going to be? And a goal to give them the lead. They have their reward.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
On they go again. A wake-up call for the City players, maybe. Can they find a response now? Can he find the right pass? Gyökeres. Martin Ødegaard. A very good tackle. Victor Gyökeres. Oh, he's through here. Will he? Oh, a goal for Arsenal. It's theirs to lose now.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
And Manchester City will go to their bench. So the ball rolling again at 2-0. Saka. Declan Rice. Victor Gyökeres. Oh, that's a fine pass. And it might be. Perhaps now. Oh, still not away. And second time around he scores. But the keeper left to wonder what his defenders were doing.
The keeper can't do much.
Arsenal goal.
That was an excellent save to start with.
This is threatening to get out of hand. Just look at the scoreline.
Would you contact me, please note, Mr. Moon has left the building.
So the ball moving. The pendulum has already swung Arsenal's way in this game. Will we see more of the same in the second half? Trossard. On to Saka. Martin Ødegaard. Very quick thinking there. Timber. It's with Ødegaard. Declan Rice. Now with Gyökeres. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Might really be able to trouble them here. Oh, substitution will occur now. So they get the ball moving again. 3-1 the scoreline here. What's going to happen next? Eze. Determined defending. Minutes remaining. Plenty of support here. Silva. And an opening! Oh, striking the woodwork.
Well, I thought that was in.
So making the substitution now. Gabriel. Now in possession, Trossard. Eze. On to Gyökeres. Foden. Gundogan. Now Haaland. That's useful play. Big chance! Quite simply an opportunity wasted. Easy for the keeper. Gundogan. And it goes! It looked as though they were down and out. Not a bit of it.
Goal for Manchester City. Number 19.
On with the game then. 3-2. What will happen next? Timber. And so the referee blows for full time, and it's disappointment for Manchester City. A defeat for them. Your assessment of the performance.
Well, Derek, not quite good enough today. Yes, they only lost by 1 goal, but I never felt they were in control of the game. A frustrating day all round for the